Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make this beautiful white, green and red bracelet, which is super simple to make and very beginner friendly. These bracelets are also on my online store if you prefer to purchase it instead of making it. To start, we are going to make a slip knot with the red color. Then we'll start making chains. Just simple chains, and for this one I made 38 chains, but you can make it shorter or longer if you prefer. Now I'll speed up this part because it's pretty repetitive, and I'll resume the instruction as soon as I finish these chains. I have 30 chains here and it looks like it might fit my wrist, but since I'll be adding collars along both sides, the bracelet will shrink a bit. So to make sure it's not too short, I'm going to increase it to a total of 38 chains. Once I finish those, I will cut the thread and make sure I leave enough on each side so I'll be able to tie the bracelet at the end. Next, I'll add on the green color. I'll make sure I have about the same amount of yarn left to tie the bracelet on this side. And then I'll add the green color by simply inserting the hook inside the first red chain and then grabbing onto the green color and pulling through. Next, I'll insert the hook into the following chain, so this will be the second red chain, yarn over with the green color and pull it through. From here, you will continue making a slip stitch into each red chain all the way to the end of the bracelet. Again, I'll speed up this part since it's just repeating the same steps, and I'll meet you back once the green section is finished and we've reached the end of the bracelet. And just like before, leave a bit of yarn at the end so we can tie the bracelet later. Same exact length as the red. Next, we'll add the white color by making chains on the other side of the green section. Just like before, you go into each chain, you pull the white yarn through, then through the previous white chain, so essentially making slip stitches all the way to the other end of the bracelet. Once I finish the white section, we'll leave enough yarn at the end, the same length as the green and the red. And I'm happy how it looks so far, but the red has become less visible from working over it with the other colors. So to fix that, I'll add one more row of red on this side, same way as before. And what I'm aiming, of course, is to have the colors to be white, green, red, matching the Bulgarian flag colors. So I'm done with the red section as well, and now I have all these loose ends. There's quite a bit of yarn and it looks a bit messy, so I'm going to braid both sides to make it look tidier. You can either clip one side of the bracelet to something or place a heavy object on top to hold it in place while you are making the braids. Then I'll tie a knot to hold the braid together. I have this side braided as well. I'm just going to make a knot. And now both sides are about the same. I'll just cut off the extra yarn. And I have a really nice, beautiful Bulgarian flag color bracelet. You can just tie it with a regular knot, or what I like to do is make an adjustable knot. And here's my clip that I mentioned. It's very strong. I'll leave a link below in the video description. I like to use it for holding down the yarn when I braid. And here's my adjustable knot. If you would like to know how to make this knot, there is a video. I'll link to it down below, and I'll also provide a link to all the materials that I used for this bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.